Hey guys, if you're encountering the error compiling video message on Premiere Pro, then keep watching, as in this video I'll show you the steps you need to take to fix this issue. This is actually a really simple one to fix, so let's jump straight into it. And the first thing we need to do is head over to our Start menu, and you're going to search for Settings, and then tap on the Settings icon, and inside of the System tab from the left, come inside of Display, and then scroll all the way down to Graphics, and come into Change Default Graphics Settings, and we need to ensure that Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is enabled, and then we could come back out of this window, and then from these list of applications down here you should see Adobe Premiere Pro from this list, and we just need to left click on Premiere Pro, come into Options, and make sure High Performance Plan is selected, and then press Save to save these settings. Then we can head out of this window, and next thing we're going to do is launch up Adobe Premiere Pro, and from the top here we need to come into File, inside of Project Settings, and then head over to General, and in this video rendering and playback section, we want to make sure renderer is set to Mercury Playback Engine software only, and then you can press OK to save these changes. Another thing to note here is if you're using effects within your timeline. For example, if I add a video effect to one of my clips here, say I wanted to add a warp stabilizer, and we're just going to drag this to one of our clips. This can actually cause exporting issues, so the way you can get around this is you need to right click on your clip with the video effect, and then come over to Nest. Then you can give your nested sequence a name, and we can select OK. And now if the video effect was the cause for the compiling error, this would have resolved the issue. And the very last thing we can do is come into Export here, and when we're exporting our project you need to come down to this video section, come all the way down here and select More. You need to make sure Render at Maximum Depth is selected, and also use Maximum Render Quality. Then scroll down further to the encoding settings and make sure Software Encoding is selected from here. And then you can go ahead and export your video, and that should have fixed any compiling issues you're having. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.